Alright, welcome to CHELL'S Kitchen. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't yet, make sure that you like and subscribe. Today we will be making chili. It's getting chilly outside, so yeah, we're making chili. Today is a perfect day for chili in my neighborhood. So let's get to it. It's really simple, really easy, straight to the point, and not to mention delicious. Let's get to it. Now it's time to cook the meat. As you can see, I have my burner turned to a medium high. And you just want to get your hamburger meat and add it to your skillet. And kind of break it up as you add it to the skillet. Probably won't make all of that hamburger meat. If you have a bigger family or you want more, make it all. I think I'm not going to make all of it. Alright, now what you want to do is you just want to lightly season your meat. I got my seasoning salt. You just want to lightly go across, probably about a tablespoon and a half, a little bit of pepper. My onion powder. And my garlic powder. Now as my meat is starting to cook, this is the point where I add my bell peppers and my onions, because I would like for it to cook through with the meat. So I want my bell peppers and onions to be just as cooked as the meat is. That makes sense. Nice and sauteed. Just give it a stir. Mix everything in. You don't like onions and bell pepper, this is totally optional. To me, the onions and bell pepper just gives off a wonderful taste with the chili, but it's completely optional. You could put garlic in here if you want. You don't have to use the bell pepper, you could just use onion, or you could just use the bell pepper and don't use the onion. It's completely up to you. So I gave that a light stir. Now we're going to let that cook. So let it cook. all done. I'm just playing with y'all. Click here. No, okay. Let me go back to it. Okay, so as you can see, the meat is brown. I drained it. I transferred it to a big pot. I probably should have made all that meat now I'm looking at it, but the hamburger meat always looks like more. It looks like more when it's raw, and then once you cook it down, yeah, you'll see. So this is the point where I add everything out. I'm going to add my chili beans. I'm going to add my tomato sauce. Turn my skillet down. Add your chili beans, tomato sauce, and then this is the part where I add in, give it that wonderful chili flavor. And you don't have to use the whole packet. I probably won't use the whole packet because I didn't use the whole packet of hamburger meat. So you don't want it to be have too much seasoning in it, because you keep in mind you seasoned your meat at the beginning, you know. So yeah, you don't want too much. I think that's about it. So I'll use a little over a half of a pack with this, and then you just give it a stir. Alright, and then one last thing, one moment. This is completely optional as well, but I also do a dash of sugar. I don't know, it just gives it that, I don't know. I just like a little bit of sugar in my chili and in my spaghetti, which you all will be seeing my spaghetti video soon. So yeah, and that's just about it. That's it. That's it to my chili. And then you just let it simmer for about 20-30 minutes and serve. Delicious, simple, straight to the point, and ain't a million steps. You get your hamburger meat, chop up any vegetables you want, green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, onion, whatever you want, whatever vegetable you want. If you don't want none at all, then you don't have to. Get your chili beans and tomato sauce and your chili packet. That's all you need, a little seasoning. Let that simmer on low for about another 20-30 minutes. And let her simmer. Alright, and this is the finished product. Have my green onions, sour cream, sprinkled it with some mild cheddar cheese. Simply delicious. Got my crackers. Hey, we ready to eat around here. I'm gonna dig in. Oh my God, y'all. Delicious. 20 thumbs up. Fire. Oh my God. Delicious. Make this recipe for your family. And you ain't gonna hear nothing in the house while they eating, because they are gonna, this is just delicious. Everybody gonna be so busy trying to eat. Y'all see this finished product? Thank you so much for tuning in. That's how I make my chili for my family. Hopefully you try it for your family. You can tweak the recipe however you like. You don't have to make it exactly like me. That's just how I make it, and we love it. I just want to thank you all so much for watching. Again, if you have not liked and subscribed, make sure you do so. I will be back at you all with another great video. And again, thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.